Breaking news from the United States, where dangerous flooding continues to impact large parts of Texas, as meteorologists closely monitor a tropical disturbance that could soon become the first-named storm of the 2026 Atlantic hurricane season. The National Hurricane Center says the system has a high chance of developing into Tropical Storm Arthur as it moves along the Texas Gulf Coast. While the storm itself may be short-lived, experts warn that the biggest threat is not the wind. It's the potentially catastrophic rainfall. According to the latest forecasts, a broad area of low pressure near the Texas-Mexico border continues to generate widespread showers and thunderstorms. Forecasters expect the system to move into the northwestern Gulf of Mexico, where environmental conditions could allow it to strengthen into a tropical storm by Wednesday. Officials are urging residents across southern and eastern Texas, as well as parts of Louisiana and Mississippi, to prepare for days of intense rainfall that could trigger life-threatening flash floods, urban flooding, and river flooding. The National Hurricane Center has emphasized that regardless of whether the system officially becomes a tropical storm, the flooding danger remains extremely high. Meteorologists say the heaviest rain is expected between Corpus Christi, Texas, and Lake Charles, Louisiana. Some isolated areas could receive more than 15 inches of rainfall over the coming days. Houston-based meteorologist Matt Lanza described the setup as the most significant rainfall threat the region has faced since 2024. Weather experts warn that storms developing in this environment have an almost unnatural ability to produce excessive rainfall, increasing the risk of severe flooding. The National Weather Service has issued a flood watch for all of southeast Texas through Thursday morning. Forecasters expect widespread rainfall totals of 4 to 7 inches, with some locations potentially receiving more than 10 inches by midweek. Meanwhile, in Louisiana, the National Weather Service office in New Orleans says an additional 4 to 6 inches of rain could fall through Friday evening, while isolated areas may exceed 10 inches by Saturday morning. Parts of Mississippi are also under flood watches as the weather system moves eastward. The severe weather threat comes at a crucial time as the 2026 FIFA World Cup continues across North America. Houston, one of the tournament's host cities, is scheduled to hold matches this week. Officials are closely monitoring weather conditions and potential impacts on transportation, fans, and outdoor activities. At this stage, no major schedule changes have been announced, but authorities are urging visitors and residents to stay updated on weather alerts. Emergency management officials are encouraging people in flood-prone areas to prepare now, avoid driving through flooded roads, and follow all local evacuation or safety instructions. As Texas braces for more heavy rainfall and the possible formation of Tropical Storm Arthur, millions of residents across the Gulf Coast remain on high alert. Stay with us for the latest updates on this developing weather emergency.